Let's get you the latest updates on the Omicron crisis in India. Unfortunately, we're reporting another massive spike in COVID cases in the city of Mumbai. Mumbai has reported 3,671 fresh COVID cases in the last 24 hours. That's 46% higher than the figures that were reported on Wednesday. Mumbai had reported 2,510 cases on Wednesday, and with the latest surge, active cases right now in Mumbai has crossed the 8,000 mark. The silver lining is that no deaths were reported in Mumbai in the last 24 hours. As far as Omicron cases are concerned, 190 new Omicron cases have been confirmed in Mumbai. To ensure that the virus spread is contained, BMC has sealed 88 buildings and has designated 4 containment zones in the city. Uddhav government has also imposed Section 144 in Mumbai now till January 7th. Citizens have been advised to stay at home and celebrate the new year quietly. No parties, no large gatherings are allowed in the wake of rising cases. Citizens above 60 years and below 10 years are suggested and advised not to step out of their homes unless absolutely necessary. Vidya is joining us live from Mumbai with more details on this. Vidya, good morning. Cases are going up with every passing day, which is a serious worry, a serious cause of concern. But it all comes down to whether the curbs are effective tonight or not, whether we see any brazen violations and what kind of enforcement happens on the ground.
Well, certainly, the Maharashtra government has realized that the latest Vidhan Sabha session, for example, that turned out to be a hot spot with 3 ministers really falling positive to COVID. Apart from that, recent spate of weddings that we had seen, traditionally weddings are generally held during December end. And one of the reasons why the entire, the dump has been seen is because of the huge gatherings that the city had witnessed during the wedding season. And that's one of the reasons why now the gatherings of people is something that has been prohibited. Remember the Wonderland that was put up, in great jest to, make the city look beautiful, another attraction being added. But that also has been put on hold with people being asked not to come. So certainly all gatherings have been, put on hold. There will be no gatherings during the entire season that we will really be seeing the holiday festivities. Okay. Apart from that, certainly the Maharashtra government has also been seeing that a lot of workers, the people, the health workers who are working in the field of health are also now testing positive. So quarantining facilities is something that they are really sprucing up now.
Right.
So all those, things that we had really seen during the first and the second wave are now being spruced up so that the third wave does not really happen as people are now really looking at it.
Experts are saying that the third wave has already hit parts like Mumbai as well. Vidya, thank you for joining us with all of those details.